Hey folks, Tom Franiak here with Midwest Cabinets and Design. Wanted to show you a great feature in this kitchen that we're in. Probably one of the most sought after features today, and something that I always try to put in all my designs because it's so handy to have. And I want you to take a look here. We are in the cooking area of this kitchen, right next to the stove, and I want to show you here we've got these two big dresser drawers. And is what's inside these drawers. This is where all the pots and pans are put. Look at that. I mean, do you see this? This is that big, deep pasta pot. You know the one for the Sunday meal. That's how deep this drawer is. It's so deep that it holds that pasta pot, and it's actually stacked in there with two other things in there. So very, very deep. And you see here on the lower one, we have all the Skittles and stuff, and skillets, not Skittles, those are candies. But anyhow, we have all these pots and pans in here. And these drawers will hold over 100 pounds a drawer per glide. I mean, that's a lot of weight. And you don't have that many pots and pans in your drawer. I mean, okay, I hear you. Somebody out there says, I have cast iron in mine. And let me show you something. I'm going to show you how stout these drawer glides are. We're on the other side of this cooking system here, right? And I want to show you, look at that. That drawer is filled with cast iron. It's filled with cast iron. We all know how heavy cast iron is. I want to show you another thing. Look, that drawer, mixing bowls are in there. Top drawer, got all our utensils, right? Different things that we use for cooking. I want to show you this because this is the whole cooking area. Yes, a properly laid out kitchen is a lot of fun to use. It makes it easy. Look, and in the background, family cat eating its cat grass. We treat everybody. Pets are really, they're part of the family. And you use us, we'll treat your pets like they're our family. We love pets. We love cats, dogs, whatever you got, birds, chickens. And anyhow, I'm going to let you go. Tom Franiak, Midwest Cabinets and Design, where quality and service come first.